Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our first word for today's video is eat. In Gujarati we say ખાવું. Eat. In Gujarati we say ખાવું. Okay, and if it is food, if it is food, then we say ખાવાનું. ખાવાનું. Okay, it means like something food item. So we say ખાવાનું. For eat in Gujarati we say ખાવું. Okay, the action of eating. Eat in Gujarati we say ખાવું, and if it is food we say ખાવાનું. Drink. પીવું. Drink in Gujarati we say પીવું. Spit. થૂકવું. Spit. થૂકવું. Bite. બટકું ભરવું. Bite in Gujarati we say બટકું ભરવું. બટકું ભરવું. Basically this is biting. Biting it means બટકું ભરવું. I am repeating. Eat. ખાવું. ખાવું. Drink. પીવું. Okay. Drink in Gujarati we say પીવું. પીવું. Spit. થૂકવું. થૂકવું. Okay. Spit in Gujarati we say થૂકવું. Bite. Bite in Gujarati we say બટકું ભરવું. બટકું. બટકું ભરવું. 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 બટકું ભરવું. Now let's understand each words one by one having sentences. Our first word is eat. Means ખાવું. Eat in Gujarati we say ખાવું. The sentence we have here is I eat fruits every day. હું રોજ ફળ ખાઉં છું. હું રોજ ફળ ખાઉં છું. Okay. હું રોજ. For હું, for I in Gujarati we say હું. Every day or daily. Every day or daily in Gujarati we say રોજ. Every day or daily in Gujarati we say રોજ. ફળ. For fruits in Gujarati we say ફળ. Fruits in Gujarati we say ફળ. And ખાઉં છું means eating. Okay. So eat in Gujarati we say ખાવું, and if it is eating we say ખાઉં છું. ખાઉં છું. Okay. હું રોજ ફળ ખાઉં છું. Okay, it's very easy sentence. I eat fruits every day. હું રોજ ફળ ખાઉં છું. Okay. હું રોજ ફળ ખાઉં છું. ખાઉં છું. Next word is drink. In Gujarati we say પીવું. I made a mistake. Let's see what sentence we are receiving. Okay, it's almost same, but let me still try to give you exact one. I think this is fine. Correct. Now let's understand this sentence. I drink water every day. હું રોજ પાણી પીવું છું. or you can say હું રોજ પાણી પીઉં છું. Both will work. હું રોજ. So we recently understand even here also I is equals, I mean for I in Gujarati we say હું. Again for every day we say રોજ. રોજ for every day or daily in Gujarati we say રોજ. Water. For water in Gujarati we say પાણી. For water in Gujarati we say પાણી. And પીવું છું, okay, drinking. To drink in Gujarati we say પીવું છું, or if you silent this u, still it will work. પીવું છું. હું રોજ પાણી પીઉં છું. હું રોજ પાણી પીઉં છું. So this is fine. Drinking in Gujarati we say પીવું. પીવું. Okay. The another word is spit. Spit. In Gujarati we say થૂકવું. You can memorize like this. થૂકવું. થૂકવું. Let's see the sentence we have. Do not spit here. It's very common sentence. Do not spit here. In Gujarati we say અહીંયા થૂકશો નહીં. અહીંયા means for here in Gujarati we say અહીંયા. For here in Gujarati we say અહીંયા. થૂકશો નહીં. Don't spit. Okay, don't spit. For spitting in Gujarati we say થૂકવું. Okay, and don't for not in Gujarati we say નહીં. અહીંયા થૂકશો નહીં. Okay, for not in Gujarati we say નહીં. Okay, અહીંયા થૂકશો નહીં. For spitting in Gujarati we say થૂકવું. For spitting in Gujarati we say થૂકવું. And with this sentence, how do we say in Gujarati? અહીંયા. Okay, for here we say અહીંયા થૂકશો નહીં. અહીંયા થૂકશો નહીં. Let's see another word which is bite. For bite in Gujarati we say બટકું. બટકું ભરવું. બટકું ભરવું. So the sentence we have here is the dog bite my hand. કૂતરાએ મારા હાથમાં બટકું ભર્યું. Okay, the dog. For dog in Gujarati we say કૂતરો. Okay, and for this sentence we'll say કૂતરાએ. Who bite my hand? કૂતરાએ. કૂતરાએ મારા હાથમાં, okay, my hand બટકું ભર્યું. Okay, bite my hand. Biting or bite in Gujarati we say બટકું ભર્યું. Okay, and another sentence if I would like to say is, let's say when we are having some snacks to eat, so in Gujarati we say do you have anything to bite? Like for example, do you have any snacks to bite? So કોઈ નાસ્તો છે. Okay, so it's not about બટકું. This is different meaning, but when we are asking about to bite something, we'll say કોઈ નાસ્તો છે, બટક બટક કરવા. Okay, this is how we usually use. But just to make you understand about the real meaning of this word, you can simply say batku bharvu. Okay, bite means batku bharvu. I am repeating, the dog bite my hand. કૂતરાએ, okay, the dog મારા હાથમાં, for hand in Gujarati we say હાથ, for hand in Gujarati we say હાથ. Okay, in my hand, મારા હાથમાં બટકું ભર્યું. Okay, bite my hand. So this is all about our today's session, my dear friends. I hope you understand all words whatever I have explained to you. This is the right way to understand Gujarati. First understand those words, sentences, and then try it out by yourself. We'll meet again with a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and Jai Shri Krishna.